What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how can you grow your Instagram follower organically, and I will show you 5 strategies that will help you to grow your Instagram followers organically. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and all the latest update inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you want to run your affiliate marketing for a long term, then this YouTube channel will help you a lot. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. You see here all my results, and in the end of this video I will show you how can I make this $1,000 by using this Legendary Marketer. Now I will show you all these 5 strategies how to grow your Instagram account followers organically. Check my video description and you see here my Facebook page. You will see a lot of info inside my Facebook page, and you can follow me my YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, everything inside here. So as I will discuss all these 5 strategies that will help you to grow your Instagram followers by organically. I don't show you any scammy method or scammy bulky software for growing your Instagram followers. I personally hate software for building your website, your YouTube channel, or your Instagram and any other social platforms. I like the legit way, the right way. So I will show you all these 5 strategies that will help you to grow your Instagram followers organically. You don't get your followers in 24 hours, in 10 minutes, but you will, if you follow all these 5 strategies, then you can grow your Instagram follower organically day by day. And if you can grow your Instagram follower once, then you will get a lot of traffic inside Instagram, and Instagram is a smart social platform for making money. So guys, let's check into my computer and follow all these 5 strategies. Number 1, leverage your bio. Here is my Instagram profile. Follow me on my Instagram. I am Raju Bhadra. So at first you have to set up your bio. You see here my name, digital marketer, blogger of I am niche, and I am a legendary. And you see, on to earn more money, then click here is my YouTube channel link, or you can set up your any affiliate link or any other pages. And you have to set up your bio carefully, because in case of Instagram SEO, your bio will help you to search your profile. So if you search digital marketer, or if you search I am blogger, or if you search on to make money, earn money, then you will see my profile. So your bio is an important, and if you handle your bio carefully, then other people or other audience will see your bio and they will think it's a real people, so they follow you. So you have to set up your bio and handle it with your targeted niche, and it will help you to get search in Instagram. So it will help you to Instagram SEO. So number one, leverage your bio. Number two, capitalize your captions. When you post a photo or a video, then try to write a caption, and it will help you to search your images or your videos inside Instagram. You see here is one of my posts, and I am making a caption here, and you can make more about this image or this video, or you can enlarge your captions, and it will help you to grow your account. But don't put follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on uh, YouTube. Don't put only those type of words. So you have to write a caption, and I recommend you to enlarge it, to provide a long caption that will help you to grow your profile. Number three, community engagement. So when you post a photo or a video, then a lot of people will comment your photo, your videos, and you have to respond their comment, or you can comment other people's photo or images. It will help you to in case of Instagram, Instagram algorithm check every audience profile. So if you engaged with your audience, then Instagram will say you are a real people. So it will help you to grow organically your followers. Instagram shows your profile in front of other audience or other viewers. So you have to engage with other people. You have to like other people's photo. You have to comment other people's photo. And if anyone comment to your photo or videos, then you have to respond those people's comment or likes. So number four, mix up hashtag size. It's an important fact. So if you see here, if you use all the big hashtags like marketing, business, money, entrepreneur, success, luxury, then very soon your photo or your videos will remove from the front. So you have to mix your hashtags. You can use business, entrepreneur, marketing, but you have to use other hashtags too. You have to mix all the hashtags. So with the big hashtag, you have to choose all the other little hashtag or low competitor hashtags. So you see here, I use luxury. I can use luxury. It's a huge big hashtag, a lot of competitor inside it. But in case of luxury lifestyle, you see a low competitor. Then success is a big competitor, a big hashtag, and success mind setup, a low competitor. Millionaire is a big Millionaire mindset, tough is small. Business is big, online business is little. So you have to mix up all of your hashtags. That will help you to show your post in various people, and you will get a lot of followers if you can show your images or photos to the other people. So you have to mix hashtags. And number 5, cycling your hashtag. It's also an important matter. If you use the same hashtag in every day in every post, then Instagram will shadow ban your account. Instagram will think you are a robot or you are not a real people. So Instagram shadow ban your account. So you have to cycling your hashtags. Suppose in this post, on post you can use entrepreneur, other post you have to use entrepreneur life or entrepreneur lifestyle. You can use success. In the other post you can use success life or success story. So you have to cycling your hashtags, then you will get a real value in Instagram. But if you use the same hashtag in every post in every day, then Instagram will shadow ban your account. So guys, if you can follow all these 5 strategies, then you can grow your Instagram followers organically. You don't get your follower instantly, but if you can post in daily basis in Instagram and follow all these 5 strategies, then you can grow organically your followers. You have to post 5 or 4 times at a day, and you have to run it for few months. After that you will see a dramatically change to your profile, your followers. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share these videos for the other peoples. And if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, so you'll get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. And it's Legendary Marketer. I am a member of Legendary Marketer. I am an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, and I am making $1,000 just from Legendary Marketer. You see here, it's a high ticket training program, and you see here I have made 14 high ticket sales inside Legendary Marketer and a lot of low ticket sales here. Legendary Marketer is a educational training program based on online marketing. So if you want to run your online business successfully for a lifetime, then join this Legendary Marketer. It's for only 7. And if you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, and you don't have any successful mind setup, then Legendary Marketer will help you to grow your mind setup, and it will help you from where you should start your online journey. Everything you will get inside a Legendary Marketer. And after joining this Legendary Marketer, you will get 15 days challenge and advisor or a coach will be appointed for solving your problems. You can communicate with him directly to solve your problem. So guys, if you want to run your online business successfully for a lifetime, then join Legendary Marketer. It's one of the best online marketing training program at the present time. So guys, all these 5 strategies is, at first you have to leverage your bio according to your niche, then capitalize your captions. Number 3, community engagement. Number 4, mix up hashtag size. And number 5, cycling your hashtags. So if you can follow all these 5 strategies, you can grow your Instagram profile organically. You can get a lot of followers to your Instagram. So guys, that's it. Best of luck, take action. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. So guys, best of luck.